How's it going, everybody? It's been 1 week now since my operation, and still a lot of swelling in there, and not a lot of movement yet. But excuse me, I got a follow-up appointment tomorrow, so I get to change out some elastic bands and stuff. So that's cool. Get a little bit more movement in there, and the shakes have been amazing. My wife is making me some spectacular meals via the blender. It's been really good. I've had some roast. We've had egg Benedict. It's been awesome. I think I'm going to be one of the only guys who puts weight on during this whole thing. um, Still a lot of where they made the decision up in the top lip there, and soreness in the back. It's just kind of tender and kind of scratchy right now, but underneath here is the big bruising coming out. It's kind of crazy. It's still really puffy. You can feel it's just so tight. But it has come down since a week ago. So uh, I'm getting a lot of movement now in only a week. I know it's pretty crazy. I mean, I'm high once again, but it's almost bedtime, so that's what I usually wind down just so. Nighttime, there has been a lot of sleep. You wake up through the night once painkillers wear off, and you gotta kind of dose up again. I get pretty sore every 2 to 3 hours, and then the painkillers work great. So, um, yeah, still having a hard time swallowing. I got nothing else. I get a couple shots here. What I got, so that's gonna be the light. It's a big change. It's a huge change, and I think I'm gonna like it. It seems already that the teeth are just so much better. I can breathe with my nose now. That's huge. You wouldn't even believe it. I've never been a nose breather, but now it's like I'm wearing a breathe right strip. Compared to most people, it's probably how they breathe all the time. But for me, that's something new. It's been spectacular. And other than that, I since my last video, that last video, don't try doing that. That was I did some damage. I think doing all that talking 2 days after. I was really had a lot of medications in me, and I was feeling no pain. But I came home and I talked away, and I probably talk better then than I am now. But don't do that. So just get home, get lots of rest. That's my advice, and get recovered as quick as possible. Lots of food, lots of water. If you got to use any kind of morphine for for painkillers afterwards, make sure you're drinking lots of water. It's really gets to you after a bit. So, anyways, I'll post another video here probably a week or so and see what it looks like from then. All right, guys, take care. Have a good night.